Hello students, I am Nalini Singh and I am here for explaining you the chapter number 1 of class 7th NCERT. So by don't wasting our time, let's first see our contents. On page number 1, we see our contents. The chapter number 1 is integers. So let's begin this chapter. On this page we see our exercise 1.1 and our first question is following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. The number line is shown here. From this we have to find the answers of the question. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. It means that we have to find the temperatures of the places. Those are written on the number line. So the same thing is done in this question. In this question we have to make a table, and in table we have to write places and temperatures. Temperature of Bangalore is 22 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. And the temperature of Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So this is the answer of the first question. Now the second question is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? Means you have to find the hottest place and the coldest place, and with that we have to find the difference of the places. So in first question we make a table, and from that we can find the answer of this question also. So the temperature of the hottest place, Bangalore. We can find the temperature of hottest place and the coldest place. From that we have to find the hottest and the coldest place. In the first question, from the first question we can find that the hottest place is Bangalore, whose temperature is 22 degrees Celsius, and temperature of Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius, which is the coldest place. And the temperature difference between that is 22 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. We put the minus sign because in the difference question we have to put a minus sign. So we can got the required answer. So minus plus, we know 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 30 degrees Celsius is the required answer. So this is the same question as the question B. The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So we can find the temperature of Srinagar and Lahul Spiti from first question. The temperature of Srinagar in the table is minus 2 degrees Celsius and temperature of Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So the difference between that is minus 2 degrees Celsius plus minus 8 degrees Celsius. We know plus minus is minus. So minus 2 degrees Celsius is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So minus is equal to plus, and the minus sign is here. So we can subtract that. Minus 8 minus 2 is equal to 66 degrees Celsius. The sign will be plus. The last question is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius and temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. So 5 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius plus minus will be minus. So 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius, 3 degrees Celsius is the answer. The temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Therefore 3 degrees Celsius is less than the temperature of Shimla. Now temperature of Srinagar. The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the temperature of Shimla is greater than the temperature of Srinagar. No, it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. Till here we complete our first question. And we will start our second question. Jack, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was the total at the end? In this question, we have to find the total score of the Jack. So the marks are given, we can add that. Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. Total marks got by Jack will be 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. 25 minus 5, because plus minus will be minus, plus 25 is equal to 35. Means plus minus will be minus. So 25 minus 5 will be 20. Plus minus will be minus. Minus 20 minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. 15 plus 10 will be 25. 20 minus 10 plus 25. Minus plus will be minus. So 10 minus 25 will be 15. So plus sign will be 25 plus 15 will be 35, because plus plus plus. Thus 35 marks are got by Jack in a quiz. Our third question is, at Srinagar, temperature was 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? It means that a name of place is given here, which is Srinagar, whose temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. It means that it will be minus, in minus, because dropped means in negative. So minus 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? So minus 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Means we have to add the temperature of Tuesday by the rose temperature on Wednesday. So by that we can find the temperature on Wednesday. In the solution of this question, the same thing is done. That on Monday, temperature at Srinagar is minus 5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, temperature dropped 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature on Tuesday will be minus 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius will be minus 7 degrees Celsius. So the temperature on Tuesday is minus 7 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday, temperature rose up by 4 degrees Celsius. That temperature on Wednesday will be minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius will be minus 3 degrees Celsius. Thus, temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius and minus 3 degrees Celsius respectively. So our fourth question is, a plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? The diagram is also shown here. By the diagram you can understand. Height of a place above the sea level is 5000 meter. Floating a submarine below the sea level is 1200 meter. The vertical distance between the plane and the submarine will be 5000 plus 1200 is equal to 6200 meter. Thus, the vertical distance between the plane and the submarine is 6200 meter. Fifth question. Mohan deposits 2000 rupees in his bank account and withdraws 1642 rupees from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Means that what we have to do? The question is saying that Mohan is a person who deposits 2000 rupees in his bank account, and the next day means today he deposit 2000 rupees in his bank account, and tomorrow he withdraws 1642 rupees. The withdrawal is shown by a negative integer, means 1642 rupees is in negative. Then how will you represent the amount deposited? Means that withdraws means loss, means like a loss, so minus sign. Deposit means our benefit, so plus. Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Deposit amount 2000 rupees and withdrawal amount 1642 rupees. Balance 2000 rupees minus 1642 rupees will be 358 rupees. Thus the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal is 358 rupees. Our sixth question is, Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance travelled by towards west? By which integer you will represent her final position from A? It means that a girl whose name is Rita and she moves towards the point A by 20 km to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. Means on the same road she moves 30 km on point B. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance travelled by towards east? Means that 20 km is in positive integer, then how will we represent the 30 km distance? According to the number line, Rita moves towards east is represented by a positive integer, but she moves in opposite direction, means Rita moves west is represented by a negative integer. Distance from A to B is 20 km. Distance from B to C is 30 km. Distance from A to C is 20 minus 30 is minus 10 km. Thus, Rita is at final position from A to C is minus 10 km. Our seventh question is, in a magic square, each row, each column and each diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. It means that we have to find that which is the magic square whose sum is same whether we have checked it in row, in column and in diagonal. So taking rows, 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4 will be 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 5 plus minus 2 plus 7 will be minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. 0 plus 3 plus minus 3 will be 3 minus 3 will be 0. Taking columns, 5 plus minus 5 plus 0 will be minus plus 5 minus 5 will be 0. Minus 1 plus 2 plus minus 2 minus 3 is minus 3 plus 3 will be 0. Minus 4 plus 7 plus minus 3 is 7 minus 7 will be 0. Taking diagonals, 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 is 5 minus 5 will be 0. Minus 4 plus minus 2 plus 0 is minus 6. This box is not a magic square because all of the sums are not equal. It means that it is a magic square, but the last sum is minus 6 degrees Celsius, which is odd from the all. So it is not be a magic square. Second, taking rows, 1 plus minus 10 plus 0 is minus 10 plus 1 will be minus 9. Plus 4 plus minus 3 plus minus 2 is minus 7 minus 2 is minus 9. Minus 6 plus 4 plus minus 7 is minus 2 minus 7 is minus 9. Taking columns, 1 plus minus 4 plus minus 6 is 1 minus 10 is minus 9. Minus 10 plus minus 3 plus 4 is minus 13 plus 4 is minus 9. 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 7 is 0 plus 9 is minus 9. Taking diagonals, 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 7 is 1 minus 10 minus 9. 0 plus minus 3 plus minus 6 is minus 9. This box is magic square because all of the sums are equal. This is the magic square because all the sums are equal. Our 8th question is verify a minus within bracket minus b equal to plus a plus b for the following values of a and b. In this question, the values of a and b are given in each part of this question, and the formula is given in the question. So we can write, given a is equal to 21 and b is equal to 18, we have a minus b will be a plus b. Putting the values in LHS as a minus b is 21 minus 18 will be 21 plus 18 is equal to 39. Putting the values in RHS, a plus b, 21 plus 19 is equal to 39, since LHS equal to RHS. Given, in second part, given a is equal to 118 and b is equal to 125. We have a minus b is equal to a plus b. Putting the values in LHS as a minus b will be 118 minus 125 is 125 plus 125 is 243. Putting the values in RHS as a plus b is equal to 118 plus 125 is 243, since LHS equal to RHS. In third part of the question, A is equal to 75 and B is equal to 84. We have A minus B plus A plus B. Putting the values in our LHS, A minus B is 75 minus 84. 75 plus 84 will be 159. Putting the values in RHS is A plus B is equal to 75 plus 84 is 159, since LHS equal to RHS. The fourth part of the question, which is the last part, given A is equal to 28 and B is equal to 11. We have A minus B is equal to A plus B. Putting the values in LHS, A minus B is equal to 28 minus 11 is equal to 28 plus 11 is equal to 39. Putting the values in RHS, A plus B is equal to 28 plus 11 is equal to 39, since LHS is equal to RHS. Our ninth question is, use the sign of greater than, less than or equal to sign in the box to make this statement true. Our first part of this question is minus 8 plus minus 4 box minus 8 minus 4. Minus 8 minus 4 box minus 8 plus 4. Minus 12 minus 4. Minus 12 is less than minus 4. Our second part is minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 box 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 box 15 minus 8 minus 9. 4 minus 19 box 15 minus 17. Minus 15 box minus 2, since minus 15 is less than minus 2. Third part is 23 minus 41 plus 11 box 23 minus 41 minus 11. Minus 18 plus 11 box 23 minus 52. Minus 7 box minus 29, since minus 7 is greater than minus 29. 39 plus minus 24 minus plus 15 box 36 plus minus 52 plus minus 36. 39 minus 24 minus 15 box 36 minus 52 minus 36. 39 minus 39 box 72 minus 52. 39 will be in plus and 39 will is in minus sign, so it has be cutted. 0 box 20, it remains 0, so 0 is less than 20. Minus 231 plus 79 plus 51 box minus 399 plus 115 plus 81 minus 231 plus 130 box minus 399 plus 240 minus 101 box minus 500 minus 159 minus 101 is greater than minus 509 159. Our 10th question is, which is our last question of this exercise, is a water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost layer. Example that the first step of the stairs. The water level is at the 9th step. He jumps. First part of this question is, he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? He jumps 3 steps down and jumps back 2 steps down up. Following number array shows the jumps of monkey. It is the number array which are the stairs. So by that we can understood. First jump is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 steps. Third jump is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 steps. Fifth jump is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 steps. Seventh jump is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 steps. Ninth jump is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 steps. Second jump is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 steps. Fourth jump is 5 minus 2 is 3 steps. Sixth jump is 6 minus 2 is 4 steps. Eighth jump is 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 steps. Tenth jump is 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 steps. These steps are given. So by that we can find the answer of this question. 11th jump is 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 steps. He will reach 9th steps in 11 jumps. In second part of this question, the question asks that after drinking water he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top set? He jumps 4 steps and then jumps down 2 steps. Following number array shows the jumps of monkey. The number array is shown here. Thus, he jumps 4 steps and then jumps down 2 steps. Following number array shows the jumps of monkey. Thus, monkey reached back on the first step in 5th jump. Our third part of this question is, if the number steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and 2nd. By completing the following, A part is minus 3 plus 2 minus dash is equal to minus 8. B part is 4 minus 2 plus dash is equal to 8. In A part, the sum minus 8 represent going down by 8 steps. So what will be the sum 8 in part B represent? A part minus 3 plus 2 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 is equal to minus 8. B part 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 is equal to 8. Thus, sum 8 in B part represent going up by 8 steps. So I hope students you understood my concept, and please subscribe me, like, share and subscribe me, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. So bye friends. Thank you so much.